How to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a YouTube channel on your phone. Now basically, on your phone, what your YouTube is going to look like is a bit like this, okay? May it be your iPhone or any other type of device you're on. So this is what your YouTube should generally look like. So in the top right section, you're going to see this account widget and you're going to go over here and you're going to click on sign in. Okay. Now, once you click on sign in, you're going to go ahead and sign in with any account. Now, if you don't have an account to sign in with, you can go ahead and create an account for yourself. Okay. And it's pretty easy to create an account because to create a YouTube account, you are going to want a Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, you can't really create a YouTube channel for yourself. All right. So you're going to go ahead and sign in with your Google account that you have. Okay. Now, once you sign in with your Google app, let me show you what it's going to look like. Now, once you've signed in with your account, as you can see, my account is signed in over here. This is what it's going to look like. So if you want to go ahead and create a YouTube channel from this, you're going to click over here and it's going to give you an option saying your channel. Okay. So you're going to come to your channel and here it says create content on any device. So you're going to actually create a channel, add in some details. Like as you can see, I've added in my background, I've added in my profile name. And once you do that, you're going to come over here and it's going to give you an upload or plus option over here. And yeah, from there, just upload any content. And that is how you are going to be creating a YouTube channel on your phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.